Hey guys, what you saw at my friend's house is what you saw, but I'm at home now. So look here, got some of these chasers, some quick fuse, the fuse from the firecrackers, some more visco fuse and quick fuse, speed ball there. These are new. Called Mega Salutes. Black Cat little dynamites, you always have to have them. They're waterproof. So is that. And some more Black Cats. And some Showtime sparklers. Please comment and subscribe. I see y'all never comment on my status, but you need to. Thanks. Have a happy New Year's. Hope y'all have a happy New Year's. Peace out.